This is gonna blow your mind if you think frozen chicken is foolproof. Get these basics wrong, and you're serving up more than dinner. You're risking your business. Frozen chicken is cheap and convenient, but it's also a top culprit for food poisoning in UK kitchens. Here's the safe way to cook it. First, never trust looks alone. Always use a food probe. Chicken needs to hit 75 degrees C at its thickest part every single time. Oven or air fryer? Both work, just don't overload and give it extra time. Slow cookers and microwaves? Avoid them. Too risky for frozen chicken. Don't forget, leaking juices and drips spread bacteria, so keep raw poultry sealed and prep areas spotless. Training every staff member in food safety isn't just smart, it's the law. Want the full lowdown? Check out our accredited food safety training courses. Stay sharp, stay safe, and keep your customers coming back for more.